Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AI Zero to Hero. Today we will learn how to install Anaconda, Python, and Jupyter Notebook and all. So the way when you install Anaconda, Python and Jupyter Notebook will be installed automatically. So let's start with the process of Anaconda installation. Okay. So what we'll do, we will go to some browser and we will check it. We will search Anaconda, okay, and we will download it. Here if you see free Anaconda, there is one there is a one mini Anaconda also. You can download that one also, no issue. But yeah, let's see what's the size of that. It's 1 GB. It will take 6 minutes. So I will back after a 6 minute. I hope you got it how I have follow the download process. Let me show you once again till it's being done. What you will do, you will search Anaconda download option. After that you will go to this download, free download, or a Anaconda website. Like suppose if you are here, okay, so what you will do, you will go for some downloads. If you see here, there is a free download option, so you can click on this and you will check this download option. Okay, there are other option also, like you can use for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Okay, so whatever you want, you can click and you can download it. Okay, so it is being okay, it is downloading. Let me check if I have some. Okay, okay, I will wait for 4 minutes and I will be back. Okay, welcome back guys. Okay, so we as we have downloaded Anaconda, and you know the process. Okay, so if you forget the process, then you can go back and you can check. So now I'm back and I start installation process of Anaconda. So let me show you where I have downloaded the Anaconda. So yeah, here if you see, here I have downloaded. Okay, so for the link, Anaconda link, I will provide in description. You can find the download link, and you can download directly through that link. Okay, so let me click that and let me install it. Okay, it's asking for wait. Okay, so another like thing is like if you don't have enough computation power, I can say, then what you can do, you can use Google Colab. Okay, so after installation I will show you how you can use the Google Colab. Okay, so Google Colab is help you to provide some virtual machine with some high computation, like 12, it will provide a 12 GB RAM and 32 GB of hard disk actually, and some GPU also it will provide. So like I think if you don't want to uh, don't want to install, it will be okay, and you can use directly Google Colab, and that computation power is enough for your learning. Like you can train any model through the Google Colab actually. Like it will be better than this. But okay, so yeah, here if you say next, and then you can click on just me. If you click just me, then it will good. If you have multiple user, then you can click just me. Other than that, if you have admin access to your machines, then you can use all user or anyone. But I will go with just me, because there is no privilege required for the just me. Okay, then here is the path where this Anaconda will be installed. Okay, so next, and we'll go next. Okay, and yeah, just wait. I think it is about to complete. Maybe it will take a time for you guys, so don't worry. Okay, okay. Meanwhile, let me show you Google Colab. That will okay. Okay, so this is the like developed by Google Research. So you can click like this link or this link. Okay, if you click this link, let's see what is showing. Okay, so another way like you can what you can do if you see here like there are plenty of Python notebook already here. Okay, so which one you want to delete, you can delete and all. Okay, you can connect to your Google Drive also. From Google Drive you can upload your files or folder and you can open directly from the Google Drive. Let me show you Google Drive also so that you will be able to understand that. Okay, let's see, this is the collab notebook I created the folder. Okay, and some like if you want to click some you want to open some Google collaborative file, then just click on right and go to the Google in more, and after that you can click on Google Collab and you will find this new tab. Let me see how much it is. Okay, okay, it will take a time, so I'm till now I'm explaining the Google Colab. Okay, so now this file is open. This is a a Jupyter notebook file. Okay, so it's same as your local Jupyter notebook. You can do Python coding here. Okay, you can change this file. My first. Okay, so this way you can change the file name. After that you can like import any file. Like suppose you are importing OS or import pandas. Okay, so you can do the and you press Control Enter or you can press this, then it will run. Okay, now if you see this is showing is the connecting to your server where this RAM and drive will be provided to you. So once it's connected, then this run will happen. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, now if you see this is connected, you have assigned some drive. Okay, this is, oh, now it's like, 80 GB you have provided. How much? Okay, 107 GB. That's enough for you guys. You can upload any files like CSV or any data set here and you can consume in the your coding. Okay, so this is a way. Okay, if you see the RAM detail 12 GB they are providing. Okay, 12.7 GB. This will be 1.107 almost 108 GB. Okay, even you can change run let me show you the run time. Like you can use T4 GPU or TPU. This is really good computation power for your data, sorry, deep learning. Okay, so then when you are using deep learning model, then you can TPU and T4 GPU. That would be really good. Okay, okay, let's wait for this installation. Okay, so I will back again, once it will install, and I will show you the next process. Okay. So yes, guys, now I'm back. If you see, like the installation process is completed. It's saying completed here. So I think it's yeah, it took around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so don't whenever you are installing, just take a coffee with you so that you will not get bored. Okay, so that's now installation. I will click on next, and if you see like it is providing Jupyter Anaconda things. Okay, and can next. Okay, so I will just unselect it and I will click on finish. Okay, now that you have installed the Anaconda. Let me show you how you can do that. Just type Anaconda. Okay, here if you see that Anaconda navigator is here, so you can click this Anaconda navigator and you can open the Anaconda navigator, and then you can go to the Jupyter notebook. But I would like to go through the command because it would be lightweight. But yeah, Anaconda navigator will take too much time to open and all, so I will go with this. Okay. Yeah, one more thing, like whenever you have installed Anaconda, okay, this Anaconda navigator, Anaconda prompt, and Spider and Jupyter notebook, all of these will install automatically. Okay, so don't worry. Yeah, so yeah, once like you open Anaconda prompt, then this this base environment will be seen here. Base environment is the default environment where all the Python library is installed and even Python is installed. So if you use let me show you which Python is there. If you see Python 3.11 is installed with this Anaconda. Okay, so like that means one when you install the Anaconda, all the ID will install along with the Python. Okay, so there is no need to specifically install Python separately. Okay, so okay. One more thing, you can see all the library here. So let me show you how I can see that. Okay, uh, I think pip list. Okay, pip list. Yeah, pip list is a command. Pip is the Python command. Okay, pip list is a command where it will show all the library installed in the default environment. If you see all the library, okay. Uh, yeah, but sometime you need different library, so you can install directly by writing pip install and library name. Okay, like suppose either panda. Okay, let me show you pandas or not. Okay, py. Yeah, if you see the pandas already installed. Okay, so most of the like ml library will be already installed. If not installed, you can directly type here pip install pandas. Okay, and if you click enter, it will install. Okay, like if you see here, it may ask for like, yeah, it is showing that requirement already satisfied, so there is no need to install again. Okay, so if it is like if it is not there, then it will install the pandas. Okay, even it will install all the dependent library for the pandas. Okay, so this is a way. Okay, you can use it. Yeah, one more thing, let's see if you have a Jupyter lab or not. So okay, first I will create some folder where, like, let me show that. Yeah, Anaconda. Okay, here let me create a one folder. Okay, where I will create all Python notebook. Okay, so okay, this will be the path. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to this path. Okay, let me show you how I can go. First I will go to directly, and after that I will write cd and this. Now I have my current path is this. Okay, let me write some Jupyter command, Jupyter lab. This is the command to open a Jupyter lab. Okay, I'm not sure Jupyter lab is installed or not. Okay, if it is, it will not install, then I will show you how to install the library. So this is the Jupyter library, Python library, which help you to write a Python code through the Jupyter notebook or Jupyter lab ID. If you see, yeah, it is already installed, and now if you see this Jupyter lab is open. Okay, now see where we are, like in the current folder where I have opened. Okay, um, yes, yeah, here, Python for data science. So like if you see if I want to create a new notebook, I will click on this notebook part. Okay, now see that one file is created with name untitled. You can change the title. Okay, just by clicking the right name and rename, or here if you click right, and you can rename it. Okay, or even if you see here like this file is created, you can change the name of it. But yeah, if in the like if the session is open, then you have to change from here only. Okay, like suppose I am changing here what I can, okay, first notebook I can say. Okay, let me see how I can run it. Like I just want to print something, so I can write a command. Print is a command, because I am starting the like basic Python. I'm not targeting only experienced person. I'm also targeting the person who don't know the Python. Uh, so I have to explain each and everything. So print is a command, or you can say a function. Okay, in the Python, which help you to print something. Okay, so like print welcome to AI. So if you see, okay, I have given a one line of code, and once I will click control enter or shift enter, it will run. Okay, so you see this function printed welcome to AI 0 to 0. Okay, so this is a way like you can install, you can open a Jupyter lab. The command for opening a Jupyter lab will be the Jupyter lab. Okay, this even you can open a Jupyter notebook. You can write Jupyter notebook, but I like open the Jupyter lab, because it gave the this explorer in the left side, that help you to navigate your files and folders. Okay, yeah, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you like my video. So please like and subscribe. Okay, and share my video.